Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide mobile number in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide mobile number in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and after opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Just below the saved messages, tap on settings, and when over here we'll be required to go to the privacy and security of our phone. Over here just below the chat settings, tap on privacy and security, and over here guys you can see there is the phone number option available for us. Tap on that phone number and you will be on this interface. Now in order to hide your mobile number in Telegram, guys, you can see where it says the who can see my phone number. You will be required to tap on the nobody section if you want to hide it from everybody, and also you can see there it says the who can find me by phone number. If you don't want and everybody to find you by your phone number, you can just tap in the my contacts and not everybody. And with that being done, guys, after choosing the nobody section on who can see my phone number, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen, and with that being done, guys, your phone number will be hidden on Telegram. And this is how to hide mobile number in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.